Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Essence TJTV. You're welcome to my channel, and I welcome you all to Essence TJTV family. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Guys, you don't need to wait longer. If you know you are watching me right there and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, all you need to do is just go and press the red button and on the notification bell. Subscription is free of charge. You don't have to pay a dime for it. Just subscribe and on the notification bell. So thank you so much for doing that, and God bless you. To my existing subscribers, thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you. And in this video, it actually has to do with Schengen visa people. Like if you are in Germany with Schengen visa and you came to Germany all through, this law is for you, and these are the benefits. The law is for stranded Schengen visa holder in Germany permitted to stay and seek employment until 30 September. So, until 30 September, then you can take a leave and there will be other purpose for the exit. But before then, because of the COVID-19, according to the Interior Minister, that says since March outbreak, Schengen visas who are stuck in Germany since March because of the coronavirus outbreak and unable to go back to their home, will stay and gain employment purpose. Okay, this is it. The decision has been taken by the Federal Ministry of the Interior, which at the same time has noted that foreigners with expired Schengen visas in Germany unable to leave will remain exempt from the requirement of obtaining a resident permit. So that actually means that those people that actually came from outside European will be able to stay, but they will give them a free chances and space to work, to gain their own freedom as well until 30th of September. So then, due to the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic, this regulation regulates the extension of the temporary exemption from the requirement of a resident permit for holder of Schengen visa in the federal territory, and the temporary exemption from the requirement of a resident permit for transit through the federal territory for the purpose of leaving the Schengen. So paragraph 1 of the ordinance read. So according to this law now, it means anybody that has a Schengen visa and they get stuck in Germany, they won't be able to leave. They will get a transit permit for them and they can work. So that applies to them. So the ordinances apply to all foreigners who were in the Federal Territory of Germany in March 17, 2020 with a valid Schengen visa, or who entered the Federal Territory after March 17, 2020 will remain in Germany until June 30. This one applies to people that actually came from other, European territory to Germany, but they have a Schengen visa. Okay, so they will be able to stay till June 30 before they can, they can have other things, in for them. Okay, in order to facilitate their stay in Germany, the Ministry of Interior has decided to permit these persons to get a job. So they will permit them to get a job. Whether you came from other European country, European territory to Germany, we will get permitted to work. Whether you are from other country as a whole, you will get a permit to work. So these are the benefits of this law, and foreigners who are exempt from the requirement of a resident permit in accordance with the paragraph 1 permitted to pursue gainful employment, okay, to which their Schengen visa has been entitled until September 30, 2020. So These also include employment that is not considered employment within the meaning of the Resident Act. So all these basic things is for people that are God's talk, which I found interesting over it, that people that got Schengen visa came from other country and they got stuck in Germany. They will be able to relieve them and give them a gainful time in Germany. They will work and they will do other things. So at the same time, they can be able to go from other country too within the European state. So within the European states, they will be able to go from one country to another. That is after they have given them the permit to work. After they have given them the permit, maybe for example, they need to go to the foreign office and ask for the requirements, and they will apply and they will give it to them. So after they have applied, they will now tell them what they need to do. The requirement and how that is there for them to know all these things. So at the same time, this person will be able to travel to another country, as I said earlier, that has granted them with entry. Okay, which means the country that gave them the Schengen visa. If you get the Schengen visa in France, then they will be able to go back to France and or travel back there for something else purpose to them. So if they get it from other European country as well, they will at the same time grant them access to go back, within the European state. So given that Germany permit those coming from that particular country to enter again for up to 3 days of stay until September 30. So they can go back to where they got their Schengen visa for up to 3 days, and they can stay there and come back to Germany if they are willing to stay in Germany. But this law is purposely for people that have a Schengen visa and they get stuck in Germany. And the purpose of this law is for them to get relief and work. And meanwhile, in this pandemic, other people and many people might have get stuck. So the federal ministry find out that they need to get relief and they need to do their normal freedom purposes. So that is Germany for you. And I found it interesting because many people don't know, or maybe they might not be able to acknowledge or process it. So that is why it is important for everyone that is listening to me. If you have a brother or sister that are get stuck in Germany, so tell them what they need to do. Share this video to them and let them know more about it. So for the purpose of the Schengen visa and the people that get stuck in Germany, they will get approximately 3 months permit from the foreign office. Exactly, from the foreign office they will get up to 3 months permit to work and to do other things. So if you have a permit aside your Schengen visa get expired, you can do anything in Germany. You can do everything in Germany within the space of this time before they will bring the restriction down and the lockdown and all thing we get in a low level. So in as much as it hasn't get to a low level, people that got Schengen visa and they got stuck in Germany and their visa is expired, they can as well find themselves and find a way out for them to survive and to sustain in Germany. So they do not want them to get stuck and they don't want them not to get survive. Okay, guys? So this law is for people that acquires to be. This law is for people that got stuck and they find nowhere to go and they find nothing to do. So this will help them to do something for a period of time. This will guide them to be able to move on and find something else to do. And I find this interesting and opportunity for most of them that get stuck in Germany. So they still have ultimatum of September. So that is amazing and is absolutely fine. So guys, if you find this informative, interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel. So if you have anything to ask me over this topic, just give me a comment section, just give me a comment down below and I will get back to you. If you have any question over this topic, give me a comment, ask me anything. I'll be there to answer your question accordingly. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you know you have not, and let's keep going. Thank you so much. Till I come your way next time, I still remain your humble self, Essence TJ TV. And God bless you and have a blissful and a wonderful day to you all. See you later. Bye bye.